Hi everyone. I'm going to use some cards today to show you how mitosis works, just in a slightly different way. And then later on, when we talk about meiosis, we'll use these cards again. So hopefully that'll help you understand some of the differences between the two processes. So if you remember with the cell cycle, let's start the cell cycle at G1. And G1 means growth. So let's just assume this is our cell and has grown. Okay. The next step after G1 is S. Now, what happens in the S phase of the cell cycle? That's right. The DNA is synthesized or copied. So each of these cards represents a different chromosome. We have two copies of chromosome number 3, one from dad, one from mom. That's why they're different colors. And two copies of chromosome number 5, one from dad and one from mom. Notice each chromosome has only one card. That's because before the S phase, each chromosome is made of only one chromatid. Now we're going to do the S phase. Copy, 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 copy. Now we still have 4 chromosomes, but now each chromosome is made of twice as much DNA and has 2 chromatids. Okay, so the diploid number for this cell, the full complement of chromosomes before cell division is 2n or 4. So remember that number, okay? After S phase is G2, where the cell grows again, gets ready for mitosis, and then we go into the M phase, which is mitosis. Now, mitosis, as we learned before, has 4 parts: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. In prophase, the chromosomes condense and become visible under the microscope. And with these cards, they're already visible. So let's pretend it's prophase. Okay. After prophase comes metaphase. In metaphase, the chromosomes line up down the center of the cell or the metaphase plate. So let's line these guys up. Okay, so here's a chromosome, here's a chromosome, here's a chromosome, here's a chromosome. Oh, and in prophase, we also get rid of the nuclear membrane, right? So let me just get rid of that nuclear membrane. All righty. So we've got all 4 chromosomes lined up down the center of the cell. That's metaphase, okay? Notice the chromosomes are lined up, single file. After metaphase comes anaphase. In anaphase, the chromatids separate and start to move to opposite ends of the cell. Separate, separate. There we go. There we go. So all those chromatids have separate. And then in telophase, 2 new nuclei are formed around each of the 4 chromosomes. Okay, and notice in each of these, and then mitosis is followed by cytokinesis. Notice each of these 2 new cells has exactly the same genetic information that we started with, and exactly the same number of chromosomes as we started with. Each of these has 4 chromosomes. Alrighty, so hope that's helpful, and have a great day.